Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the use of was and were in English grammar. Was and were are also called helping words. Both the words talk about past, something that has already happened. We use was when we talk about one person or one thing that has happened in the past. Was is used with I, he, she, it, or a singular noun. For example, I was reading. She was happy. It was a sunny day. See, all these sentences talk about one person or thing that has already happened. That's when we say was. We use were when we talk about more than one person or one thing that happened in the past. Were is used with you, we, they, or a plural noun. For example, we were happy. The birds were sitting together. They were playing. Let's check out a quick summary table for this. Was is used with I, he, she, it, or a singular noun. Were is used with you, we, they, or a plural noun. Now let's do a simple activity where you will fill the helping verbs was and were as per the sentence. Answer loudly and pause the video if you need some time. She blank eating. She was eating. They blank reading. They were reading. I blank not well. I was not well. We blank cycling. We were cycling. They blank in a bus. They were in a bus. I hope you were saying the answers loudly. How many did you get it correct? That's all in this video. If you like the content, you can watch other videos on English grammar in the playlist given in the description. That's all for now. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.